April showers bring May flowers. This simple phrase holds a world of meaning for those who love to garden. This age-old saying makes us wonder, is it really true? Do the rains of April truly lead to the vibrant blooms of May? Well, as a gardener, I can tell you there is much truth to this. The rains of April are essential for the growth and health of our gardens. April, with its unpredictable weather and frequent showers, sets the stage for a vibrant display of blooms in May. The rain nourishes the soil, providing the perfect conditions for plants to thrive. April's rain, although sometimes bothersome, is a blessing in disguise. It ensures that our gardens receive the water they need to flourish. It's nature's way of replenishing the earth after a long winter. The rain helps to break down nutrients in the soil, making them more accessible to plants. The sound of raindrops pattering on the soil is like music to a gardener's ears. It signals the start of a new growing season. It signifies the awakening of life and the promise of beautiful things to come. The rain brings with it the hope of a bountiful and colorful garden. Behind April's showers is a fascinating scientific phenomenon. As winter loosens its grip, the jet stream, a band of strong winds high in the atmosphere, shifts northward. This shift often brings moist air from the Pacific Ocean, leading to more frequent rain across many parts of the world. This increased rainfall is exactly what our gardens crave after a long winter slumber. The rain, carrying dissolved nutrients, seeps into the ground, revitalizing the soil and providing a much-needed drink to thirsty plants. The sprout is a testament to the power of nature's cycles. Beyond the initial burst of color, other flowering plants like rhododendrons, azaleas, and many more join the vibrant display, and lilacs join the symphony, adding their own unique charm and beauty. They fill the air with their intoxicating fragrance, creating an atmosphere of pure bliss. The garden becomes a haven for pollinators, bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, all drawn to the vibrant blooms. It buzzes with life and beauty, a dynamic ecosystem thriving in harmony. This lush, vibrant garden is a testament to the magic of April showers, a true symphony of colors and life.